Happy Friday, second graders. Today we're going to start an end of the year project. And we're going to do the writing today and then the coloring part and the drawing part on Monday. Okay, so today is just about the writing. In your material packet, you should each have one of these sheets that says My Future. Brainstorm your future in the white space around this circle, and you can color this part if you want, and the student down here. But what you will do is just randomly write words all around here what your future looks like. This is to help you brainstorm. So my future looks like receiving my master's degree. Okay, so I'm going to put that here because I've already received my bachelor's degree. Maybe your future is what you want to be when you grow up. So, well, I want to continue to be a teacher, so teacher. Maybe you want to be a doctor. Maybe you want to be a accountant or a lawyer. Okay, so right here. And then maybe where do you want to live in the future? Where do you want to go to school in the future? What would you like to do in high school? Any sports you would like to play or any clubs you would like to belong to? Just different things in your future. What does it look like? Okay, brainstorm your future in the white space around the circle. So just write words all around here to help you brainstorm. And then you will take this sheet and write what your future looks like. Okay, so you'll take some of your ideas on here, and I will put some sentence starters on this on your on the web page right here, so that it can help you get started with your writing. But you will write, make sure you indent right here. Okay, but you will write complete sentences and neat handwriting what your future looks like. Okay. And then the coloring part of it we will do on Monday will go with this. Okay, so do the writing today.